Hello everyone and welcome to GeoThings Fast Forward. Today we are talking about GeoFind, a mighty device that you can place anywhere, track everywhere. Joining me is Riju Baranwal, the product owner of GeoFind.
Thanks, Ankita. Let's talk about GeoFind. It is a 4G wireless GPS tracker which is quite compact. It helps you actually locate and monitor your belongings in real time. So be it your backpack or your car that's halfway across the country, it's quite simple to use and track it.
So, it's not just a tracker, it gives you peace of mind.
Absolutely. GeoFind is quite a simple device. There's no wiring, no installation. All you need to do is, just set it up with GeoThings application and it's ready to go.
Love that. Sounds super user friendly. So, what exactly makes GeoFind stand apart?
So to mention a few, it has features like you can actually get live location updates. You can also see your location history in form of trips, which gives you sort of, total duration of the trip, total distance covered, etc. and the likes. You can also get overspeeding alerts. Now, one more interesting thing is that you can utilize geofencing, which means that if you are crossing a particular area, you will get alerts. One more interesting feature is that you can actually listen to short audio clips which are recorded as a surround sound by the device. And it also has a rechargeable battery.
That's brilliant. Let's make it sound a little practical. I will give you some real life scenarios and let me know how it works.
Let's do it.
So say a parent wants to track their kid's school bus, just wanting to know at what time they should reach the pickup stop.
So, that's a perfect use case. You can just slip in the GeoFind in the school bag and you can actually monitor the live location. You would know when to go to that pickup stop.
Perfect. That's a savior moment for every parent. And how about our own vehicles? How do I track them?
So again, like I said, there is no installation required. It is quite easy. You can just place that device inside your vehicle. So be it a bike or a car. And you can utilize all the features that I mentioned.
Nice. I love that. It's like a sigh of relief for every vehicle owner.
Absolutely. It makes sense also. So anything that moves, you can track it with GeoFind. And one more thing is that it comes with two variants. The only difference would be the size and the battery life.
Thank you, Riju. That's a wrap for today's episode. Thanks, audience, for tuning in. We'll be back with more innovative stories.